Nice beaver.
Seems like they're getting heavier.
Just like that. Again, talking about different soil conditions. This is just like concrete pushing these down. There we are. Still got my baited peeled stick here. I'll scratch that off. Put that right behind it. Grass there and we're good. I should be able to walk across to the other side through this here shallow. The water really went down, so I gotta go and lower my 330 here. And again, see, I don't have to do any digging. I don't have to do anything. All I have to do is move it out. And there we are, halfway down. Simple, easy, and they'll come right up this little channel. All I'll do different is go like that, put my bait stick a little closer. Get that wire out of there. There we are, everything is good. And we are solid. Nothing more. Lure on top of there, and that's it. I am going to take one little branch, just probably more for me than anything. Just put it right there, so he doesn't think he can go up around there, and we're done.
The perfect hunting and fishing companion, your Wiebe knife, designed by sportsmen for sportsmen. Maintain precision control and a solid grip even after the knife gets bloody and messy. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 replacement blades free and guaranteed $5 flat rate shipping on any sized order at WiebeKnives.com.